children. Today we are discussing the topic is find the products. Find the product. Let's take this number. See the fraction 5 by 4, 2 by 3. These products are very easy than additions and subtraction of the fractions. Okay, these are very easy. Listen carefully. Let's see what are our fractions 5 by 4 into 2 by 3, right? It has a 2 numerators and 2 denominators. Let's multiply both numerators and both denominators. Okay, multiply both numerators, that is 5 into 2 by 4 into 3. Let's see, 5 2s is how much? 10 by 4 3s is how much? 4 3s is 12. Let's see here, we have 10 by 12 is the answer, right? In these two numbers are which numbers? Even numbers. That's right. 2 tables cancelled in these two numbers. See here, here how many times? 5 times. 5 2s is 10. Let's see here, how many times? 6 times. Okay, 6 2s is 12. Here 5 times and here 6 times. Let's write down 5 by 6. Understood? Let's come to this sum. What is the fraction? This is mixed fraction, right? It has a whole number and proper fraction. That is, this is the mixed fraction. Let's take this number, convert it into first improper fraction. Let's multiply these two numbers, 5 into 5 plus, what is the numerator? 2. Let's add the 2 to numerator into denominator by 5 into, what is the fraction? 1 by 6. What is the fraction? 1 by 6. Okay, let's take this number here. 5 into 5 is how much? 5 5 is 25 plus 2. 25 plus 2 is equals to how much? 27 by 5 into 1 by 6. In this 2 by's middle you have to put into exactly. Okay, let's see. This is the one method. If you are multiply both numerators and denominators, you will get the answer. That is one method. See here, I will tell one more. Check this numerator and denominator like a cross. Check this numerator and this denominator, this numerator and this denominator. That is first fraction numerator, second fraction denominator. See, in this number is cancelled, these two numbers are not. Okay? No, it doesn't cancel. But in these two numbers are cancelled in any common table? No. In these two numbers are definitely cancelled in common table. Which is the table? 3 table. Right? How many times here? 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. And here how many times? 3 2s are 6. Okay. Let's take the both numerators, same numerator place. 9 into 1. 9 into 1 by, what is the number here? 5 into denominator 2. 5 into 2. Let's take equal to, write down 9 1s is 9. 5 2s is 10. What is the answer? 9 by 10. What is the answer? 9 by 10. Let's take this number. Take these fractions down. See, into 15 by 21. Let's see here, cross. Okay. In these two numbers are cancelled in any common table, or in these two numbers are cancelled in any common table? See that first. Okay. Like a cross. See first in these two numbers, 3 and 21. These two are cancelled in any common table? Yes. Which table? 3, right? So cancel here. 3 table, 1 time. How many times here? 3 7 is 21. So 7 times. Is it clear? So these two are cancelled by 3 table. Okay, leave it. Let's take this numerator and this denominator. Let's see. In these two numbers are cancelled in any common table? Yes, because it has 5, it has 0 in the ones place. If you have a 5 and 1's 0 in the ones place, that numbers will definitely cancel in 5 table. Okay. If you have 5 and 0 in the ones place, the two numbers will definitely cancel in which table? 5 table. Okay, let's take 5 table and cancel it. How many times here? 3 5s is 15 and here 2 5s is 10. Okay, let's take equal to, take a by 1 into 3. What is the remaining number? 1 into here 3. See here 2 into 7. Let's take equal to again. Let's do the product. 1 3 is 3, 2 7 is 14. Okay, the answer is 3 by 14. Any common number is cancelled with these two numbers? No, that's why this is the final answer. You tell me guys, students. These are very easy sums, right? Yes, these are very easy sums. Okay, note down all of you. Let's see these sums. 8, 2, 1 by 2 into 3, 1 by 3 into 1, 1 by 5. Okay, this is the question. So, see here. How is our fractions? The fractions are in mixed fraction, right? In this mixed fraction, can we do the sum? No. First, convert this mixed fraction into which fraction? Improper. Right. Let's do it. Convert this mixed fraction into a which fraction? Improper fraction. Let's multiply these two numbers. How much? 2 2s is 4. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 by, what is the number? 2. Into, multiply these two numbers. Plus 1. 3 3 is how much? 3 3 is 9. Plus 1. By 3. Into, 5 1s is 5. 5 plus 1 by 5. Let's see. 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2 into 9 plus 1 is 10 by 3 into 5 plus 1 is 6 by 5. Right? We got the normal improper fractions. Right? Let's see here. Cross with. First take this numerator. See, 2 is cancelled. 2, 3, 5. 5, 2 is cancelled in any common table? No. 5, 3 is cancelled in any common table? No. 5, 5. Yes, these two are cancelled in common table. What is the table? 5. So, these 5 and these 5 will cancel in 5 table. How many times? 1 time. Is it clear? Yes. Let's take this 10. See this 3 numbers. This is already cancelled. See these 2 numbers. 10 is cancelled in 2 or 3. See. 10 is cancelled in 2 table. Yes. 10 and 2 are cancelled in which table? 2 table. 2 how many times cancelled here? 5 times. What about here? 1 time. 2 1s, 2 5s, right? Yes. Let's take the 6. Is it there? No value. Only 1. 1 is normal. Next see. 3. 3 is cancelled. 6 is cancelled in 3 table. Yes. 6 and 3 are cancelled in which table? 3 table. 3 how many times? 1 time. What about 6? 6 is First take this number and see all the denominators. Next take the second fraction numerator, see in all the denominators. Next third fraction, see in the all denominators. After you cancel it. So now tell me which numbers are there in your numerator, which numbers are there in your denominator. Let's try it. Here 1. Next, what is the symbol? Into. Next, what is the number? 5. What is the symbol? Into. What is the next number? 2. It's over. Numerator. Let's take the denominator. 1 into 1 into again 1. Okay, let's multiply. 5 1s is 5. 5 2s is 10. What is the numerator? 10. 1 1s 1. 1 1s 1. So the answer 1. 10 by 1 means if 10. If the denominator is 1, you don't write. Okay, if the denominator is 1, you don't write. Just write the numerator only. Okay. Let's see the second one. What are the numbers? First take it in solution case. 3 by 7, 5 by 9, 14 by 15. Let's see here. Take a first numerator. See in the all denominator. 3 is cancelled 7? No. 3 and 9 are cancelled. Any common table? Yes. How many times? 3 times. 3 1s, 3 3s. 3 table is cancelled in 3 1 time. 3 table is cancelled in 9 3 times. Okay? Okay. See, take the next numerator 5. 5 and 7 are cancelled in any common table? No. Next 5 and 15 are cancelled in 5 and 3 are cancelled in any common table? No. 5 and 15 are cancelled in any common table? Cancel? Yes. Which table? 5. Right. So 5 is cancelled here. How many times? 3 times. If your wrote 1 is not a problem. Okay. If you are right or not, no problem. Okay, now I mentioned here 1. See. 14 is cancelled in 7 table? No. S or no? Tell me. 14 is cancelled in 7 table? No. Or S? S. 14 is cancelled by 7 table. 7 in 1's time. 7 2's is 14. Right? S. 7 1's 7 2's is 14. Okay. Take these numbers in the numerator place. 1 into 1 into 2. Okay, it's over. Let's come to the numerator. 1 into 3 into 3. 1 1 is 1. 1 2 is 2. So the numerator is 2. 1 3 is 3. 3 3 is 9. So the numerator is 9. What is our answer? 2 by 9. 2 by 9. Let's see all of you. We have in our page 60th page, exercise 5.4. We have some sums in the down place, and here also we have some sums. All of you note down these sums and do like this type of sums. Okay? Thank you.